he said it very well, factually accurate, and very sincere in so far as the character of the man that is detained in The Hague. Very well said. Everyone here, and even those who are not here, can very well relate on what he said. Yung nakakaintindi at yung mga nakakakilala sa tao.
Attorney, personally po sa inyo, ano yung naramdaman nyo nung nilalahad niya yung pag-uusap nila ni dating Pangulo?
Kilala ko eh. Okay.
Wala pa naman. Dito muna tayo, Jake.
Naiyak po kayo?
Kilala ko.
O naiyak po kayo?
Hindi, kilala ko. Kaya naintindihan ko.
But I'm seeing like you're becoming emotional about it.
You know, anyone here, you look at the people here, the reason why they're here. Rain, shine, cold weather, why are they here? And everyone else back in the Philippines. I tell you, the trial is not about the trial inside that courtroom. The trial is addressed to the Philippine audience, to the Filipino people. And let the Filipino people decide insofar as what happened during the relevant period of that case. Tell me. Because it's all about having to address. Kasi yung tao has already resigned himself that is his fate. He had mentioned that before, and even before he left office. Diba? Sabi niya. Dahil sa ginawa ko para sa bayan at sa tao, sa Pilipino, baka makukulong ako. Yun na, tinanggap niya na. And while he is there, he already had mentioned it in the waiver. Baka dito ako mamamatay. So, para kanino pa yung kaso? I'm not trying to demean the alleged victims. Okay? I'm not trying to demean that. Because I myself is a lawyer. And I have defended cases in court. And even prosecuted cases in court. I understand that. But we're talking about the former president. And I've always taken the position that kung merong mang kaso, as in fact, these cases that are brought here, allegedly in the thousands, but they can only come up with 49 incidents involving allegedly 78 victims, okay? Bring them before the Philippine court. Ayaw po magsabi ng masama sa Korte Suprema, abogado ako, pero nakakahiya sa buong mundo kung dito natin tinatry yung kaso. Nakakahiya talaga.
Nakakahiya.
And naintindihan ko yung both sides. Abisya po siya, nakakahiya. Nakakahiya nga talaga. Yeah, that's why I'm saying na kailangan lang talaga, we need to stand as a country and as an institution that we can address our own problems. Judicially, socially, politically, we address our own problems. Let not a foreign entity dictate it upon us.
The defense, Attorney Kaufman.
Okay naman, very good presentation of the position of the defense. Very clear that yung sinasabi niya na yung salita cannot kill. So, yung mga statement na attributed to the president, parang ginagamit na dahilan na yun daw ang pagpatay ay sa kanya, which is not true.
So do you think charges won't be confirmed?
Well, I hope. No.
What keeps you optimistic that it won't? What keeps you optimistic that it won't?
Of course, we're optimistic. Very maganda ang presentation niya, Attorney Kaufman.
Live tayo, live.
Sir, how would you describe the closing statements of the defense counsel?
The defense counsel?
Yes,
I thought
sir,
you were
yes.
going to ask me on the...
Him first, the other sides later.
There was a vigorous attempt.
Wait lang. Pwede tayo mag-live?
Go ahead, sir. Go ahead, sir.
There was a vigorous attempt on the part of the prosecution to redeem itself
Na-live kasi.
from following its catastrophic fall on its submission, owing to the defense, incisive defense. But, as I said, I think it has become beyond salvage or redemption. So, I think it's humanly inappropriate for me now to trash on the shattered pieces.
What made you say that na hindi na siya salvageable, sir? What do you think is the point in their
I
argument?
think I've already explained myself yesterday and I don't want to repeat myself.
Live kami ni Attorney
Sir, when it comes naman doon sa performance ni Attorney Kaufman, how would you describe his closing statements?
Wala na tayong ano sa center.
Were you satisfied with his performance?
Parang uulitin ko na.
si Attorney
As I've already said, he has rebutted all the allegations of the prosecution, and in fact, bagsak na nga eh. So parang kalabisan na, naapakan ko pa yung mga nahulog na mga pira-pira sa alam niya na yung gusto niya.
Attorney Panelo,
Ayoko nang dagdagan.
Attorney Panelo, what's your reaction, sir, doon sa later part ng kanyang closing statement with respect doon sa engagement niya kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte sa loob ng detention
He
facility?
was only relating what transpired between him and the former president, the conversation. I think it is also, the court has the right to know what is happening with the president.
Andito tayo ngayon.
Sir, based on his description, would it be fair to say that the president seems to have a defeatist attitude during their conversation?
Not defeated. As he has repeatedly said, even when he was still president, and then thereafter, he said, if this is my fate, so be it.
Attorney Sal, what's your comment dun sa prosecution and counsel submission about sa continued detention ni dating Pangulo na sinasabi pa rin po nila he still has the influence, the support of his yung supporters po, even citing yung mga ginawa po ng Duterte supporters.
I think the defense has already made its position on the matter. He said it has no objection to the continued detention because there is an appeal on that matter. So I don't think I have to deal with that.
Okay. So what's the plan na po ng Duterte lawyers moving forward after this confirmation?
Uwi na.
Uwi na, sir.
Uwi na kami.
Okay.
Uwi na kami. And hopefully meet with the Vice President and exchange views on the outcome of this hearing.
Sir, if may takeaway po kayo dito sa 5-day na hearing na to, meron po ba kayong masasabi? 4-day kasama po yung break po. Ano po yung takeaway ninyo kumbaga sa buong session na po?
What do you mean? Take? Nasabi ko na nga yung yung position ko sa nangyari.
Sa mga nakita niyo rin pong reaksyon sa mga tao at pati ganun din sa mga final closing statements po, both assessing
Na,
both
I've already
prosecution.
said it kahapon pa eh. Ayoko na nga ulitin. Ayoko na apak-apakan pa
Sir,
yung...
did the Vice President ask for any updates from
Wala pa, wala. Hindi pa kami nagkakausap.
Okay. Ito pala pag-uwi niyo, sir, sa Philippines.
Parang maano kasi madrama.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, live tayo.